Yani, who gave you permission to use the phone tonight? Who gave you permission to use the phone? Just remember, people, if you're underage, you have to get permission from your parents. It's very important that we need to be careful with people, when we allow our children to use phones, so they don't go into the wrong places and into the wrong people's live streams. Because today we're having a lot of live streams going, and you get the wrong information happening. So be careful when you have children. Make sure they not